Hey guys, today we're going to be waking up and feeding all the animals. The first is the dogs. Sleepy. There we go. And then they've already got water. Got Purdy eating already. Then I've got this little baby who's not eating yet. Next is the guinea pig. Okay, they've spilled their food everywhere. Don't ask why they have two bowls, they just do. I'm gonna get them some carrots. Okay, we've got 2 carrots for the guinea pig that I just snapped in half. Also, my dog loves carrots, so I guess she gets one too. Right, let's give some carrots to the guinea pigs. And then I just need to fill up their second bowl. There we go. And then probably going to put them outside after they finish their food. Then they've got full water. Right. I need to add a bit more hay, so I'll be back when I've done it. Okay, I've now filled it up, got it everywhere in the process. So I'll just let them finish their food, or just eat the carrots, and then I'll put them out. But I also want to give the sheep some hay, since our new sheep Boise actually loves eating hay. I'm going to bring it over this gate today, even though I never normally do. I went out to them yesterday and fed them. Oh, look at them. It just flew at me. Oh my gosh, it's got everywhere, all over me. One second. I don't even want to see my tail anymore because I have I had 2 hands full, and now look, the 1 hand full. Look at the gate. My camera's a bit dirty, but oh my gosh. Boise's still not very good with us, but I'm just gonna yeah, he's still not very good at it because we've only had him for like a couple of weeks, so I'm probably just gonna scatter it here for them to eat. What's that bird doing? And I do want to see my little chalky bar. Jag, he's my favourite, but we don't tell anyone that. Especially Star, because she's getting very jealous. Hey Boise! Do you want any? No, he's not one because he's this guy. He's actually the friendliest sheep you'll ever meet. He gives kisses. Don't you? Yes. Yes, you do. So, you got to stick up your bum. I'm just gonna move this so it's not right on her. Hi. Look how cute they all are. Right, anyways, I'm now going to see if they eat hay whilst I'm not being in today. I need to check if I have it in my hair. Hi! You're going to follow me this whole way. I told you that sheep loves hay. He's already eating it. You're so cute, Boise. Yeah, so following me. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Sheesh, mate. What are you doing? I actually got so scared just then. Because here's horns. He scared me, so I can't do something. Yeah. Anyways, now that's our video done. Because well, I just need to put the guinea pigs out. And yeah. Coco. Is anyone else's dog's playful? Yes. Oh my God. Hi. Go. Have I seen her? Where's Vanilla? I know you're in there somewhere. Oh, there you are. She won't go out the head. Like, you can see her bum there. No. Come on, baby. There we go. I will bring the carrots out for them. But yeah. Let's bring them out to the field. Whenever I carry them with one hand, I always get scared they're going to jump out. So they're basically against me. Yeah. I drove the tractor the other day and trimmed the hedges. Yeah, I've got hay all over me. But yeah. I had a chocolate bar barring a minute ago. So yeah, he just barred again. I'm gonna go check on them once more. Oh, Coco, get down. Okay, you two are stupid. Okay. I'm not gonna wake the sheep up because they always come running to the gate. I have food. And I just need to go down. But yeah. Okay, now chocolate bar start. I start all the way over here. No! You guys just following me. Guys, I'm sorry, but I feel too bad. She's just barring at the gate. Now they're all walking over. And I just feel like I need to feed them. Like, I know I just felt but who's that mean? No. Here you go, Boaty. You guys aren't sheep. You know that, right? You're on dog treats. Yeah. You're not a sheep. Pepsi. Right, if you really want. Are you guys serious? You'd rather eat sheep pellets? Excuse me, Birdie. Excuse me, Coco. Okay, now my foot's stuck. And yeah, that's all we're going to be giving them. I don't want them to get too fat. Since I fed them yesterday, fed them today, and come on, girls. And they honestly don't need any more food because they have that whole field to eat. And yeah, they might get a bit chubby.